Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix SIM not found problem in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Firstly, you have to just remove your SIM tray from this smartphone. As you can see, I am removing this, and then you have to just put in second slot or first slot again and insert back into the smartphone, and you have to recharge it with 299 plan. And you can see I have inserted. Let's check if it is working or not. And you can see it's working now, and phone is unlocking, and I have given it is giving me the access to fully access to do anything in this smartphone now. There is no restriction. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.